Well, I'm back. We're continuing on with this Falcon restoration project, and I thought I'd take a second to pull you in and see where I'm at so far. Keep a little content out there for you. Keep you wondering on if he's actually working on this thing or not. So, yeah, I'm working on this thing every weekend for a couple hours, sometimes during the week, and we're going to give you an idea where we're at right now. So let's give you a walk around. Alright, so we're going to just start up here. Obviously the grill, the bumper's off. Worked on getting all the paint off that needed to come off, get down to wherever there was rust and pits, get down to fresh metal, somewhere where I can go ahead and get some body filler in there. Got a lot of stuff going on here. Was able to get these emblems off here without pulling the fenders, so I'm happy about that. Obviously in the last video I took off the trim molding, got the wiper arms off, so on. I still need to get the mirror off and the door handle and the door locks, but I'm kind of wanting to get as much done before pulling those off, because it's gonna be hard to open and close the doors. Yeah, so we got the roof is all done now as far as being sanded down. I still have to do all my body filler work, and I'm not done sanding yet, because again we got to get this whole area done here, and so on, and we still got the other car to do. But I just wanted to give you a walk around. Yes, the rear bumper's off, cleaned up the other metal behind there. Not too worried about this particular surface here, because there's a trim piece that goes over that, so that's not going to be too big of a deal. I did get some new reverse lights that I'm going to show you here in a little bit. See, trying to figure out exactly how I want to make those work. But again, this side of the car is still working on getting all this stuff off. You can tell over here in this corner, previous owner put in a bunch of body filler here as well as down here. Pulled some dents and stuff out here. That's what these holes are from. There's a drill holes, put dent puller in there and yank this out and then fill over it. So obviously I'm going to have to redo a lot of that. Again, I haven't gotten to these doors, but there's a lot of rust and stuff down in here that I need to take care of. Got this emblem off as well. Again, I haven't worked on this fender yet, other than where the stripe was, which yeah, we're not going back with a stripe. I decided it looked kind of tacky and I don't really care for it. But yeah, so the grill's out, the bumpers are gone. Just working on getting down to a surface that we can start going over and filling in, making smooth, and then we'll hit it with some primer and do some touch-up. And then once we get from there and everything's good and I'm happy, we'll hit it with some paint. But again, you can see this rear quarter here where it's all Swiss cheese. All that's got to be taken care of here, and to do it right would be to cut it out, put metal in, but I'm not doing it right. I'm doing it my way. So we're going to fill all that in, and it'll be good enough for who it's for, and it's for me, and that's who it's good enough for. But again, I just wanted to give you guys an update, let you know that yes, I'm still working on it. It's coming along. This is where I did some body fill earlier in the videos. I've showed that to you, and there's a nice good sized dent here I gotta fill in. We're down to the rust here that we've got to do some more work on. But yeah, this is just an update. This will be a quick short little video, but letting you know that we're still working on it. Obviously all the letters are off, the hood ornament, like I said, the wiper arms, mirror, or the antenna. I do have a mirror that I'm going to be putting on this side here to match that one on that side. It came with the car, so we'll be doing that. So yeah, just a quick update, letting you know that I'm still enjoying my projects. I hope you're enjoying yours. And until next time, be good, and if you can't be good, don't get